Hey everyone, it's Max Imagination here. In this video, we'll be doing a tutorial but a review of the HBX Hailstorm 4-wheel drive hobby grade truggy. So truggy means truck and buggy combined. So yeah, sounds pretty cool. And this thing itself looks so awesome. It goes 36 kilometers per hour, which is amazing. I think for such a vehicle like this, so small. So before we go out and race this thing, let's just see what's inside the body, what it comes with, and yeah. So in the box you get an instruction manual, a spare battery. The second one's already in the car. So it comes with two batteries. There's 650 milliamps, 7.4 volts, two cells, which is great. So each battery lasts up to 20 minutes of playtime and one charge. Comes with a USB charging cable, some spare body clips, a screwdriver, which is great if some of you don't have a little screwdriver to unscrew any of the parts and replace them, and of course the transmitter, and last but not least, the RC car itself. And this thing actually came with some LEDs that you have to install yourself, and that was pretty tricky getting them in there, but I done that. Now let's take a closer look at the transmitter. So it's got two speeds. Slow is for beginners, normal is for rather experienced drivers, and it's the fastest speed. It's also got steering reverse, the steering wheel itself, the on-off switch, and right above it we have the steering trim and the throttle trigger. So now let's take a look at what's inside the RC car. To take the cover off, you have to remove 4 of these body pins. In the box it also came with a sheet of stickers that you have to apply on. In here we have a 380 brushed motor with a heatsink. This must be the plastic gearbox. Then over here we have an ESC/receiver with a button switch that you have to push down for 2 seconds to turn the RC car on. It's got one of those servo motors that controls the steering. Over here we have the second 7.4 volt battery that is being held down by this piece of plastic and a body pin. There we go, we got the battery free, and as you can see, here's the 2 it came with. As I've mentioned earlier, each of these batteries last up to 20 minutes, which in total you get 40 minutes of playtime with this RC car, which is great. Oh, and did I mention it has spring-loaded shocks, which aren't the best at absorbing all sorts of bumps. Oil-filled shocks are of course better, but these are fine for such a little RC car. Another thing I like about this RC car are its squishy, foam-insulated wheels. They absorb a lot of the bumps as well as the shocks do. So now the vehicle is powered on and the remote is off, so you can see the wheels straighten themselves when I flip the transmitter switch on. Nice proportional steering, really cool. Alright guys, that is my review of the HBX Hailstorm 4-wheel drive hobby grade RC car. This thing was a ton of fun bashing it around sand, gravel, dirt, and I liked how it did those donuts. Yeah, it was really fun. This is my first hobby grade vehicle, in case you didn't know, so of course it was really exciting for me, especially out of the box. I was super excited to race it. I was really impressed with the speed this thing got up to, 36 kilometers per hour. It's pretty impressive for something this size. I was originally going to order the WL Toys A979, but that couldn't come, so this was my plan B. So I'm really glad I bought this, and if you buy this, you will not regret buying it, because it's a ton of fun, especially if this is your first hobby grade RC car. It's a lot of fun bashing this thing out at the beach, but it comes with consequences because most of the sand got up into the shocks and shocks wouldn't work anymore. So I had to use a paintbrush and brush that all off for like 10 minutes, so it was kind of hard getting the sand out, but it's best using a paintbrush to clean all your parts from sand and dust. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Peace.
You broke it. Whoa. What in the world?